Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at 2019 Toyota Sienna LE. This is an 8-passenger V6 minivan in white, driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes roof rails, a backup camera, and power sliding doors. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, and like I mentioned, the Sienna does have power sliding doors, which we will get to in just a moment. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look in the front first. You have heated mirrors with the Sienna. Up top you have your power windows, locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. You have some storage space that runs along the entire side of the door there. If we take a look next to the door, you have a little storage compartment and you can turn the power doors on and off. Now this Sienna comes equipped with all-weather mats and light gray cloth seating, and on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. We got our key here. We're going to start this Sienna up. And as always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now on the left side you have your audio controls, as well as your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side you have this cluster, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. And up in the odometer you can also see the Sienna has 3,655 kilometers on it. Going back to the steering wheel here, on the right side you have your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control, with your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Moving on to our entertainment display, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it'll display any device that's connected, and on the right side you have any audio that's playing. You also have your trip information in the top left corner, which you can press on the touch screen that will enlarge. Of course, you have your trip information and history. Now if we go into menu, you have the projection icon on the top right corner that is for your Apple CarPlay. Now if we go into audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options, as well as a choice between CD, USB, and of course you can connect your phone through Bluetooth. Now going into reverse, there's that backup camera for you. Putting that back into park and moving down to our climate control system. It is a tri-zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides, and you also have this dial on the bottom for the rear passengers. Down below that you have your driver and passenger heated seats, as well as your USB and auxiliary, as well as your 12-volt outlet. We can press this little button here and 2 cup holders slide out. We have some storage space in the center here, like a shelf. On the bottom we have this storage space on the bottom as well. We also have another 12-volt outlet, 2 more cup holders, and we have this button here which we can press, and we have plenty of space inside that center console. Now to open up the side doors, we're going to hold that left button on our key fob, and that power sliding door will open for us. If we take a look inside, you can see we have more all-weather mats and light gray cloth seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, we have these little extra storage compartments. Now these seats do fold down. All we got to do is just pull this little handle. The seats fold and you can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. Now to open the back of the Sienna, we got a button right under the Sienna emblem there. We're going to open that up, and that liftgate opens nice and easy. You can see even behind the third row seating, you still have plenty of storage space. You also have this extra seat on the side here, which does go in the second row or right in between. The third row seating does fold down. All you gotta do is pull on this little handle, and they go folding flat, going all the way in, giving you plenty of storage space. And like I mentioned, the second row seating does fold down in case you need that extra bit of room. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your tri-zone climate control system, 8-passenger capacity seating, and driver and passenger heated seats. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.